Hello there, sunshines! This is Ao and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Alright, so for today's video, I would like to do a first impression slash review of this product that I have. Okay, so ang tagal ko nang nagkaroon ng ganito. If you've seen my videos before, I purchased this one sa Shopee. At ngayon ko lang siya magagawa ng review since I already gave birth and almost 1 month since then, so I think I will have the time to make videos again. Alright, so if you want to know about this first impression slash review, please keep on watching. Alright, so this one is the All Covered by CAY Sponge or Beauty Blender. So, it comes in this box. Ayan siya. It's all white and the letterings are gold. So, ayan na. Na-open ko na siya kasi pinakita ko sa inyo ito before. Pero hindi ko siya nagamit. So, ayan na. And it says here, now the makeup tool you will use shall be the last thing to worry about. I got you all covered. So, ayan siya. So, ito yung product ni CAY. I'm sure kilala nyo siya kasi isa siyang veteranang beauty vlogger. Ayan siya. So, ito ang kanyang laman. Ayan, yung papel. Hindi. So, nasa loob ng papel, itong sponge na ito. So, ito yung sponge. As you can see, ayan siya. May part siya na angle dito. Ayan. Tapos, dito ay round. Ayan. So, dito din. Ayan. Dito, mukhang itlog. Ayan. Tapos, there you are. So, ganito siya kalaki. Ayan. It's color black. At, medyo soft naman siya. Kasi, comparing to other blenders, I think wala masyadong pagkakaiba. But I hope maganda ito. It's worth 258, I think, or 285. Ilalagay ko na lang yung price niya sa dyan. Dito. Ilalagay ko na lang yung price niya somewhere, pati sa description box. Kasi I forgot na, ang tagal ko nang na-purchase. I already prepared my face, nag-skincare na ako, and moisturize as well before natin gagawin ang ating makeup gamit itong beauty blender ni CAY. And as you can see, lumaki siya nung binasa ko na siya ng tubig, but the softness is still there. So, I hope tipid naman siya sa foundation natin kasi susubukan na natin siya sa ating foundation at ang gagamitin ko ngayong araw na ito ay itong wala naman kasi akong madaming foundation. Ito lang, Mary Kay in the shade of beige 2. So, tignan natin kung ano ang epekto nito. Tignan natin kung maganda nga ba ang beauty blender na ito. Alright, so sige. Ayan na. Ayan. So, hindi ko na muna i-blend ito, but I would like you to see this one. Ayan siya. As you can see, parang na-cover naman ng foundation ang aking mga blemishes at ang ganda niyang tignan. Even masyado ang aking pagkaka-blend using the beauty blender. Ayan. O, diba? So, and it's very soft. Gusto ko siya kasi it's very soft at ang bilis niya lang i-blend. Pwede ito kung nagmamadali ka. at sanay kang gumamit ng beauty blender. Ayan. Alright, so I'm done putting the foundation, and in fairness naman sa blender na ito, hindi ko siya in-expect talaga na ganito siya kaganda. In fairness, nagustuhan ko siya kasi it's very soft, tapos ang bilis niya lang i-blend sa mukha. Especially sa mukha kong napakalaki. As in, gusto ko siya. Ang sarap niyang iganyan sa face mo. Ayan, ang sarap niyang i-diin sa mukha. At as you can see, tignan niyo naman ang mukha ko ngayon. Unlike before kanina na wala pang foundation. Parang, ito pa lang, pwede na, pack na siya. Ayan. So, dahil i-review natin itong blender ni CAY, so, gagamitin ko siya as much as possible sa gagawin nating look ngayon. Hindi ako gagawa ng complicated na look. Gusto ko lang talagang gamitin itong blender na ito kung saan ko pa siya pwedeng gamitin. So, because I'm done sa foundation, magko-concealer na tayo. Lalagay lang natin sa under eye area, dark circles kung meron kayo, at sa area na i-highlight natin. Sa mga spots na red, may blemishes, dark spots, red spots, dyan natin ilalagay. Ayan. So, halos malagyan ng aking buong mukha, no? So, again, gagamitin ko ito. Ganun pa din. Tignan natin kung anong kalalabasan niya. So, I will be using this area naman. Ayan siya. Itong medyo angled na flat. Alright, so I'm done putting the concealer, and as you can see, still ang dali pa rin niyang i-blend. At sa ginamit kong concealer, which is the Color Pop, napakaganda niyang gamitin. This one, still soft, at basta maganda yung feels niya sa skin mo. Ayan siya. Alright, so after natin mag-foundation and concealer, isusunod ko na itong contour stick, which is from Wet n Wild, para naman may i-blend tayo ulit using the CAY Beauty Blender. So, using this CAY Beauty Blender, still gagamitin natin siyang pang-blend sa ating contour. After natin mag-foundation, concealer, and contour, isiset ko ang aking face using this pressed powder from AR Vitamin E. This is in the shade of number 1. Okay, so that's it. And dahil ito yung nire-review natin, hinahanapan ko siya ng mga paraan kung saan ko siya pwedeng gamitin. But why not try sa ating eyeshadow? Subukan lang natin. Baka naman pwede. And I'll be using the tip of this beauty blender. And the eyeshadow that I'll be using is this from Color Pop. It's in the shade of Birthday Cake. So, let's try if it will work. Ayan na siya. May shimmer na. Okay, so let's not complicate things here. So, ayan lang. Para lang meron tayong eyeshadow. And take note, I already washed the blender again after we use this from contour. Ayan. So, can you see it? Meron ba akong nailagay? I mean, I'm not sure if it will work. Pero, there's no harm in trying. Okay, hindi siya pantay. Pantay. Parang mas maigi ata kung kamayin ko na lang siya, no? But, because ginusto natin to, so, panindigan natin. Ayan, so I think I did it. Oh, pwede naman pala siya. Okay, so next is for the blush. Still, ito pa rin ang gagamitin ko kasi nga, gusto natin, diba? So, gagamitin kong blush is this Caroline in the shade of Rosy Chic. At this part naman of the blender ang gagamitin ko. Ooh, ang bilis niyang makakuha ng kulay. So, we'll see. In fairness, nice siya. Ayan. So, i-blend lang natin. There you are. It's very nice. It worked. There. So, I think it worked. See? It's very nice. And I really like this beauty blender kasi ang bilis niyang i-blend at ang sarap niyang i-blend sa mukha. There. We will create this. Anong tawag nila? Nakalimutan ko na. Oh my gosh. Baka dahil to sa anesthesia na tinurok sa akin. Makakalimutin na ako. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan. So, I think it's nice already. So, we already have that eyeshadow na very light lang. A rosy cheek. Okay, so this time, we will end this makeup look with a lipstick. But I am not going to use this one kasi parang imposible na ata yun, no? So, I'll just use this Victoria's Secret liquid color in the shade of Intense. Yes, Intense. So, it looks like this. It's very pink. But, we'll try it anyway. Oh, it's very bright. Okay, so this is how I look. There you are. Ito na yung look na nagawa ko using this CAY all-covered beauty blender. So, ito siya. Okay, my final thoughts about this one. Is it worth the price? I think it is worth the price. It's all worth it. Kasi ang ganda niya, very soft pa rin siya kahit nabasa na siya ng tubig. And if you remember, maliit lang siya kanina, but lumaki siya at hindi gaanong nag-absorb ng foundation kasi ang dami pa namang na-cover naman talaga ng foundation yung skin ko. Nung hinugasan ko na yung sponge, wala naman ako masyadong nakita na foundation na lumabas. So, that means, hindi niya inabsorb ang ating foundation. So, tipid siya sa foundation and maybe kahit pa sa creams. So, I think it's worth it. And I've tried to use it sa other makeup na okay siyang gamitin sa concealer, sa contour, if you have wet contour or liquid contours, pwede. I am not sure sa powder contours, but we've tried it sa blush, and still, it's okay. So, I'm giving it a thumbs up kasi it's very nice, and masaya ako. I'm happy and very happy dahil hindi sayang yung pag-purchase ko nitong CAY all-covered beauty blender. Alright, so that's it for our video for today. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, please join the Sunshine family by pressing it and also the bell button for you to be notified whenever I post new videos. Okay, so yun lamang po dahil umiiyak na ang aking baby. I will see you again on my next video. And yes, goodbye!